Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north on US 11 in Shenandoah County, Virginia, beginning at mile 288. We've just left the town of Mount Jackson, and we're entering a rural, unincorporated area. And throughout this video, the weather will start to deteriorate again. We got in a few videos without rain, but that was just a short break in the bad weather we had on this trip. We enter the town of Edinburgh, which had a population of 1,178 as of the 2020 census. Edinburgh traces its origins back to the late 1700s when it was settled by German and Swiss immigrants attracted to the area's fertile soil, picturesque landscapes, and abundant water sources like the Shenandoah River and Stony Creek. One notable settler, Philip Grandstaff, established a gun factory along Stony Creek in the early 1800s, producing firearms for the War of 1812. By the 1870s, Edinburgh experienced a resurgence in trade, becoming a prosperous and vibrant town. During this time, it also became a focal point for the Civilian Conservation Corps, contributing to its historical significance. Today, Edinburgh retains much of its 19th century charm, characterized by elegant Victorian homes adorned with unique features such as distinctive porches, intricately carved woodwork, and locally crafted stone walls. Visitors can explore the town's rich history through its museum, guided walking tours, and enjoy various shopping opportunities. Overall, Edinburgh offers a blend of historical heritage and modern amenities, making it a captivating destination in Virginia's Shenandoah Valley. We enter the town of Woodstock, the county seat of Shenandoah County, with a population of 5,807 as of the 2020 census. The Little Yellow Bird and the Snoopy cartoons, and the site of the 1960s hippie music festival are two things that the town of Woodstock was not named for. Woodstock encompasses an area of 3.2 square miles within the town's incorporated boundaries, and is situated along the scenic Seven Bends of the North Fork of the Shenandoah River. Despite being sometimes referred to as the fourth oldest town in Virginia for its early settlement, Woodstock was officially established by charter in 1761, making it one of the earliest towns west of the Blue Ridge Mountains. Initially settled in the mid-1700s by Pennsylvania Germans migrating southward through the Shenandoah Valley, Woodstock's early inhabitants were predominantly small-scale farmers cultivating crops other than tobacco, adhering to Protestant faiths distinct from the Anglican Church prevalent in eastern Virginia. The introduction of the railroad in the 19th century significantly impacted Woodstock's commercial development. The Manassas Gap Railroad, the first railway south of Strasburg, boosted the town's economic significance. In 1888, the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad constructed a passenger station in Woodstock, crafted from local limestone and renowned as one of the region's most elaborate depots. This facilitated Woodstock's role as a hub for freight transportation, with outbound shipments including grain, livestock, and produce, and inbound freight consisting of manufactured goods. However, the decline of passenger rail services in 1948 and the subsequent shift towards road transportation led to a gradual decline in freight rail activity, culminating in the cessation of regular freight depot services by 1969. Despite protests from locals, the demolition of the passenger station in 1954 by a local businessman marked a significant loss for Woodstock's historical character and heritage as a bustling railroad town. We conclude today's video at Virginia Mile 300. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.